We have found a lot of success with the way that we grow our kale, and it's pretty simple. We actually start it inside in the grow station, and we don't use the little tiny inserts, but we use a bigger insert with a bigger cell so that your kale has a little more room and the roots can grow. And then we'll transplant it out in the garden when it's 4 to 6 inches tall. And then it will just take off growing and look like these beautiful kale plants. What I love most about kale is that it is a superfood and it is so good for you. Kale gets pretty big, so if you have a smaller garden, you really only need a couple of plants and you will have plenty of kale. The nice thing about kale is you can come and cut off the outer leaves and use it a little bit at a time and let the rest keep growing. You don't need to harvest the whole plant at once. I feel like I can just harvest from it throughout the spring and summer, which is really nice. So this morning I'm going to put this kale in my smoothie. The only pests that really like kale in the garden are the cabbage moths. And here's what they look like. This is not a real one. This is a decoy that we put out in the garden because they're territorial. This is kind of to let them know this area is already occupied. And so far we can tell that it's working. And so this is one way we're keeping pests out of the kale. So what the cabbage moth does is they come and they lay their eggs on the leaves of your kale, and then when the larvae hatch, they eat holes in the leaves of your kale. And because they're territorial, they're going to see this white decoy and think this space is occupied and go somewhere else, which is exactly what we want them to do. Another thing that we do is we use an organic spray called BT. It's actually a bacteria that disrupts the life cycle of the cabbage moths, and it works really well in the garden. And another more entertaining way to get rid of the cabbage moths is to take your racquetball racket out in the garden, swing it around, and when they hit the racket, they die. And it's pretty fun and entertaining to watch.
Oh, there's one behind you. Oh my goodness. That one's a resilient one.
Another one. Kale is a superfood. It is so good for you. It's also delicious. You can use it in a variety of different ways. And look at all the beautiful different leaves. This is one you are going to want to grow in your garden.